Imagine this, bukas, pagising mo, wala ka ng pera, wala ka ng koneksyon, wala ka ng business, as in blank slate. Anong gagawin mo? Kung ako, I know exactly how I'd rebuild from zero. And today, I'll share the exact steps with you. Okay lang ba? But before that, for those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Sally. I used to be a nurse working long shifts. Tapos, nag-jump ako sa pagiging entrepreneur. I built many different businesses from different industries. Hindi madali. I had to start from zero many times. Now, aside from being an entrepreneur, I'm also an abundance mindset coach. And I wrote a book about mindset. Shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Kasi, mindset talaga ang foundation ng lahat. Kaya, if you're starting over, this video is for you. Now, let's go to the exact steps that I'm going to do. Okay? So, number 1 is, alam niyo na siguro. Okay, I would start with mindset. Alam mo yung quote ni Henry Ford na whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. And that has been true in my life. Mindset is like a filter. Kung scarcity ang iniisip mo, puro kulang ang makikita mo kasi doon siya nakafocus. Pero kung abundance ang iniisip mo, makikita mo yung mga opportunities kahit saan. That's why I wrote my book, Abundance Mindset, the ultimate guide to abundant living and overflowing wealth. Kasi, pera is not the first solution. Mindset muna. So, kung magsisimula ka ulit, start here. Reprogram your thinking. Feed your mind with podcasts, books, and videos na mag-a-uplift sa'yo. Libre yan. Kasi the moment you believe you can, you are already halfway there. Okay? Tandaan niyo yan. So, next thing I would do is to build one skill na may value sa market. Okay? So, this is the next step. I would focus on building one skill na mataas ang demand. Ako, when I was starting, I learned digital marketing and then eventually content creation. Wala akong background, pero I knew my demand. And it's one skill that I need to learn for my businesses. And because of that skill, I was able to create and grow many income streams. So, kung nagsisimula ka ngayon, pili ka ng isang skill, whether copywriting, sales, video editing, or even a trade, or kahit na anong magaling ka. Check mo kung may demand at magsimula ka doon. So, my tip, I would offer my skill for free or mura lang sa umpisa for the first 2 to 3 clients just to build experience. And then, I would collect testimonials and results. Yun ang gagawin kong ladder para tumaas ang rates or prices ko. Kasi, skill plus proof equals income. Okay? Skill plus proof equals income. Let's go to step 3. I would use social media as my resume. Okay? Gagamitin ko ang social media as my new resume. When I started my brands, hindi perfect ang videos or post, pero consistent ako. And people saw that. Consistency builds trust. Think about it. Kung may 100 videos ka online, kahit walang views sa simula, those are 100 digital assets working for you. One video can attract a client, a customer, or even an investor. You will just create the video once, and then it will create and attract clients and customers 24/7. And that's exactly what I did. I just shared my story, passion, and tips. From there, dumating ang customers at clients. Not just once, but every single day, consistently. Kaya kahit starting from scratch ka, you have a tool na libre, your phone and social media. If you want to learn more how I use content to create income, download my free guide in the description. My next step is start small reinvest fast. Kung may bills ka, kailangan ng mabilis na cash flow. I'd start with something service-based. Freelancing, coaching, consulting, or any services that you can offer based on what you have and what you know. Mabilis mag-generate ng income, pero habang may pumapasok, I would reinvest it into something that can generate more income. So, ang lesson here is don't aim for the perfect big business agad. Start with a small step. Get cash flow and then reinvest sa ibang income streams. Fail fast, learn fast, and then move forward. Last step is to build community. Community and network. Alam mo yung kasabihan na your network is your net worth? Totoo yun. Hindi lang sa negosyo, pero sa kahit anong journey. When I was starting the Mortgage Pinay, hindi naman agad dumating ang clients. Pero nung nagsimula akong mag-connect, gumawa ng content, replying to comments, at genuinely adding value, that's when people started to notice and trust me. Kung mag-isa ka, mabagal ang growth. Pero kapag nakapalibot ka sa mga taong growth-minded, mas mabilis ka ring aangat. So if I were starting from scratch, I wouldn't do it alone. I would look for mentors, join communities, and surround myself with people na 2 steps ahead of me. Because sometimes, even just a single piece of advice might give you an opportunity and change your life. So, if I had to start over today, hindi ako matatakot. Kasi I know, mindset is everything, skills create income, content builds trust, small steps compound, and community accelerates your growth. If you want to learn the exact steps I use to turn content into income, comment guide and I'll send it to you. Now that you know what I would do if I were starting from scratch, watch this next video where I talk about how I turned my story into brands that pay me. I'll see you there.